Hi, in this video I will explain you about how to look up to the left in the Vlookup table. As you know, Vlookup searches for the given lookup value in a table and brings the value from that column or from the column which is right side. That means by default Vlookup can look at the right side in the table. However, with the combination of other functions, we can make VLOOKUP to look from right to left. In this lecture, I will explain you three different methods to do the VLOOKUP to look to left. Before that, have you ever tried VLOOKUP to the left in VLOOKUP formula? Can we use minus sign in column index? Usually we use column index as positive number from 1 to n based on table size. In this example, we have employee ID in column D and name in column C and sales amount in column E. And now we have to do the lookup based on employee number. Since employee number is in fourth column, so with the help of VLOOKUP, can we try or can we get employee name? So let us first try whether that will work in VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, lookup value, and we are looking for employee ID. So we should start from column D only, these two columns, and column index, since we have to get employee name, this is one column before column D. Can we use -1 and exact match? No, this will give error. So the first method which I will explain you now is with the help of if function and array formula, we can get the results. So let us try that formula. We look up employee number, comma. So while defining this table array, we should put this function, that is if flower bracket 1 comma 0, close the flower bracket, then column D, then column D, comma column C. So this formula will basically create an array within the formula itself with column D as first column and column C as second column. Therefore, the column index should be 2 and it is exact match. Since this is an array formula, so we should press Ctrl Shift and enter. You will get the result. So let us see how this function works. While defining this table array, we have used if function. This function will create one array. We can see how it looks like. If we press F9, you can see this will create an array with employee number followed by employee name. So when we put the column index as 2 for matching employee number, it will bring the data available in column 2. Similarly, we can use choose function instead of if function. So let us try this with choose function. We lookup value, comma, for table array, use choose function, flower bracket 1 comma 2. Here we should use 1 comma 2 instead of 1 comma 0, which was used in if function, comma column D, comma column C, close the bracket, and column index, it is 2 again, comma, exact match. So again control shift and enter because it is an array formula. And the other method is not exactly the VLOOKUP formula, which is index and match formula, which is an alternate to the VLOOKUP formula, which can do all the functions of VLOOKUP and much more than VLOOKUP. So let us see how to put index and match function to lookup to the left. Index array, that is from where we want to get the result, final result, that is column C, comma, match lookup value and lookup array, that is column D, comma, match type is exact match, close the bracket, then column number, that is C, that is 1, and close the bracket, enter. This is not an array formula, therefore Control Shift Enter is not required. So with this formula also you can easily find out or look up left.